So the Orthopaedic Research Institute, we're looking to prevent arthritis, to stop people needing operations, and so we've developed programs like CHAIN and CLEAT, which are lifestyle exercise programs that prevent 70% of people needing a hip replacement.
As well as the CLEAT study, we have been running orthopaedic research at UHD for over 18 years. These trials typically look at new types of hip prosthesis and surgical techniques for improving outcomes from hip replacement. One example of a current trial is one with an industry partner called Zimmer Biomet, where we're looking at one of the cups that we use in the hip replacement, and we're looking at the longevity and the survivorship of that cup over the next 10 years.
There are two exciting updates at the Orthopaedic Research Institute. The first is new clinical trials looking at better hip prostheses at UHD, and also towards the future in terms of robotics. It's estimated in the future 80% of hip and knee replacements will be done robotically by the end of the decade.
We're very fortunate in Bournemouth. Professor Robert Milton has completed over 1,000 robotic hip surgeries. That's more than anyone else in Europe or outside the US. So we really have got clinical expertise in the local area.
Techniques that we've developed here at the university, we've been able to use in Bournemouth and show that the results and outcomes are better.
One great example of a recent innovation that Professor Middleton and I have been involved with is the Dorset Health Village at Beals, which has been a real push from the hospital to bring healthcare to the high street. And what we've been trialling there is a mass clinic approach. Now that's been extremely successful. We're seeing more patients within the time allotted than we've been able to do previously and enable them to get the treatment that they need quicker.
We hope that we can prove that the clinical outcomes from robotic surgery are significantly better than standard surgery, and if that's the case, we hope that Bournemouth will be one of the first places to be completely robotic in the future.